good day to you all. My name is Rekia Hassan, a staff from Diabetic Herbal Medical Center, a center that boasts of experts in the field of phytotherapy. Our medicines are manufactured from 100% organic herbs, which has been tested, trusted, approved, and licensed by the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, to be used around the world. Our medicines are very effective and affordable. Well, as always, I'm going to talk about a particular disease which is called glaucoma. What is this glaucoma? Glaucoma is a disease that damages your eye's optic nerve. It usually happens when fluid builds up in front of the eyes, and the extra fluid tends to increase, as in increase the pressure in your eye, damaging the optic nerve. Causes of this glaucoma include eye pressure. It can be inherited, like from parents to children. It can also be caused due to blunt or chemical injury to the eye. It can be caused due to severe eye infection. It can be also caused due to blood inside your eye and inflammatory conditions. Types of glaucoma include, we have the open angle glaucoma, we have the angle closure glaucoma, we have the secondary glaucoma, we have normal tension glaucoma, we have the pigmentary glaucoma too. These are the types of glaucoma. Symptoms of glaucoma could include seeing halos around light, also vision loss. There is redness in eye. There is also eye that looks hazy, particularly in infants. There is also there's also, you start to feel this stomach upset or vomiting, and there is also eye pain. These are the symptoms of glaucoma. And one thing you need to know is that the moment you start to feel these symptoms, you should try as much as possible to get help, because whenever glaucoma, it's kind of like when you tend to detect glaucoma at the early stage, that is when you get medicine for it, and it will prevent you from becoming blind. Because from glaucoma, when glaucoma gets very severe, it leads to permanent blindness, and you don't want that. So whenever you notice these symptoms, come to Diabetic Herbal Medical Center. At here, Diabetic Herbal Medical Center, we give medicines that are made from 100% organic herbs, and this medicine do not have side effects, and they are very effective and affordable. What are the risk factor of this glaucoma? First of all, you are more likely to get glaucoma if you are older than 40 years old. That's if you are older than 40, as in above 40. Also, if you have a family history of glaucoma, if you have nearsighted, or you're suffering from farsightedness, you are also at the risk of having glaucoma. Also, if you have poor vision and you have diabetes, you also have certain, like, you have certain steroid medication such as prednisone. Also, if you take certain drugs for bladder control and seizure, all these I'm mentioning, they are at the risk of having glaucoma. Also, if you have an injury to your eye or your eyes, you are at the risk of having glaucoma. Also, if you have corneas that are thinner than usual, you are at the risk of having glaucoma. Also, if you have high pressure, maybe you're suffering from high pressure, diabetes, heart diseases, or sickle cell anemia, and also if you have high eye pressure, you are at the risk of having this glaucoma. So try as much as possible to stay away from all this. If you have heart disease, try as much as possible to get medicine for that. People suffering from diabetes, same thing, get help so as for it not to lead to glaucoma. More especially those people suffering from diabetes. When you are suffering from diabetes, it gets to the extent that it starts to affect your eyes, your vision becomes less and less active. So with that, it could also lead to glaucoma, and when glaucoma gets very severe, it leads to permanent blindness, and there is nothing that can be done about it. So what are the preventive measures? First of all, like I said earlier on, after mentioning the symptoms, one thing you do to prevent glaucoma is that whenever you are experiencing those symptoms which I have mentioned, try as much as possible to get medicine. Because in as far as at the early stage, you can cure glaucoma. But when it becomes very, very severe, there is nothing you can do about it. You're blind, and you're blind forever. So some of the ways to prevent glaucoma also could include that you should get regular eye exams. Also, you should learn about your family history. When you learn about your family history, maybe if there is a history of this glaucoma, then you know how to go about taking precaution. You tend to take precaution, and whenever you're going through any of the symptoms, at least then you know that, okay, let me get help, let me get medicine, so as for you not to end up being blind. Another thing is that you should exercise a lot. Exercise is good for every part of your body. Try as much as possible to exercise a lot. Also, you should try as much as possible to protect your eyes. Your eyes are very, 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 very important. So you should try as much as possible to protect your eyes. So I'm going to stop here for today. For more information, as always, you can contact us on the following number: 070-300-99277 or 080-6367-6662. Also, you can come to our head office, which is at number C21 Safiya House, along Zaria Road and opposite this bridge called Dangi. And we're close to this very popular supermarket called Jifatu store. Thank you all for listening. Till we meet next time.